Hey, welcome back to my channel. We're doing our hair again because what else is there to do? I always want to be a hair done. I want my hair done all the time, and sometimes I cannot get my hair done all the time, so I got to do it myself. So that's what we're here to do today. I made a wig, a little flip over Quickweave wig using hair from Unice. This is the Brazilian straight hair. I have 3 bundles of 12 inches, but I only use 2 bundles to make this flip over. I sewed a comb in it so that it'll just stick right in and it won't go anywhere. I'll probably stick one in the back as well and on the sides just so that it's super secure, but for now, just to kind of get a feel of it, it's fine. And this is what the hair looks like. Now I did wash the hair and I used a blow dryer on it, so it looks like my hair. And this is 12 inches on me, but we're gonna cut this into a bob, of course. Yeah, let's do that now. Actually, I'm gonna section off my hair because I don't want to cut any of my own hair. Get my hair out the way. Okay. It's literally a thunderstorm outside. I'm just gonna cut because that's just what I can do. It's kind of section. We're gonna work in sections here. So I want like a I think that's a good length. I'm gonna get away with my scissors and cut. Don't cut it in an angle like I just did, because then that bottom piece isn't gonna be right. Okay, I'm not mad at that.
Depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that.
She's cute. Is she even? And then I want to flip it over. So I don't know, but we're gonna see. Hopefully my hair. Yup. Perfect. Perfect. a little longer, but I'm gonna curl the hair. Look at that cap. Yeah, I definitely have to add a comb on this side and then a comb on this side, and then I might put a comb in the back as well so it doesn't like shift. But I like this. My hair is just a tad bit longer, but I'm not cutting my hair, so when I curl the bottom, it'll look good. So this is what it look like, guys. This is only 2 bundles. 2 bundles. Is it straight? Is it straight in the back? It's so full. It blends right in with my hair. Like, stop it. I'm gonna go in and straighten my leave out.
Don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you.
She's looking good, minus the longer pieces. So this is what it looks like with my leave out straightened. Just gonna go in with my flat iron and straighten it and then bump it. Bump it like that. That's cute. I think I might need a curling iron. Oh no, that's good. Yeah. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh, that one's kind of tight. But since it's under, it's probably okay. Let's see. Okay. I'm not mad at that.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't fight for him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Perfect. This is so cute. Yeah, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll be sure to list all of Unice's hair information in the description box for you guys, as well as a link to the bundles that I'm wearing. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.